Hey folks, you know me, I'm Adam from 911 Studios, and I've got possibly the super most fun mouse that I've ever had the opportunity to talk about. Let's get some good light on it. You can see it's super silver. It does have LED lighting, and it is an incredible little mouse. So what makes it quite so special? And you can see the green doesn't show up too, there you go. Absolutely an amazing little mouse. So let me tell you all about it. Now, obviously it's got the little wheel here. It's super thin, and what I personally like, there's two things I like most. First off, it's super silent click. I'm clicking it, you really can't hear that, can you? And that's great because, I edit video all day, and the clicks on the mouse pick up on my microphone sometimes, and that is so annoying. It doesn't sound professional at all. Trying to do some good narration, and the click is annoying. You're sitting there in an office, a bunch of people, and old mouse is like tick, 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 and I'm slamming my fingers on the plastic to make that sound. But this, the actual click noise, is so super silent. So that's amazing. I like that a lot. INPHIC's LED mouse, what else is great about it? Well, not only does it have the DPI button, but it has the boss's coming button, and it closes out all your browsers at a click of a button. So, got it open, click the button, everything closes up. And that's incredible as well. Just a great little mouse, and it keeps things super silent, super amazing, and I absolutely love it. So it's available with Amazon Prime, which means the A to Z guarantee. Absolutely amazing. Quick shipping, free shipping for Prime members, everything associated with Amazon Prime. That's incredible. On mine, if I order it today, it gets here by tomorrow. If I order it within 7 hours, and that's incredible. You know how Amazon's just amazing with that. But a great mouse sold by the INPHIC store, INPHIC. It's rechargeable with this little USB right here. It is backlit, durable, cordless mouse for PC, Mac, and this one comes in silver. So what's so special about it? Now, first off, the battery in it. The batteries last forever now. If you haven't bought a wireless mouse, if you haven't bought anything battery powered in a while, the batteries last so much longer than they did, so you're not gonna have to charge it very often. It's also ultra thin. Look how tiny this thing is. Even with forced perspective, this thing is absolutely small, lightweight, and that's great too. It comes with small USB nano receiver. Store it in the back of the mouse. So I should show you right here in the back of the mouse, right there, is the receiver. And I can remember my first USB mouse, the receiver was bigger than the mouse. It was this big device. So that's incredible. It says the noise of clicking is 90% lower than previous designs and competitive models. The boss is coming is absolutely great for self-protection. And is there anything else? Work is burning, so the color on the mouse itself is incredible. There you go, you can see it real good. And in a dark room, it really lights up, and it's just kind of cute and adorable and just super nice. So go ahead and pick one up today. It's backed by a 45-day money-back guarantee and 12-month replacement. I find that important. Mice, I'm pretty rough with them, and that's super fun. So it has 7 different colors. DPI is 800, 1200, and 1600. Highly precise, light and slim, ideal for travel. 2.4 gigahertz wireless. The battery life cycle, you can charge this thing 500 times, and it will charge in, yeah, that's right, an hour and a half. Anything else I should say about this? Bluetooth 5.0/4.0 and 2.4 gigahertz wireless. I was looking at all my notes over here if you caught me looking. But yeah, what an amazing little mouse. This is gonna be my everyday mouse because I sit and I edit all my videos. I literally probably make 20 videos a day. And I sit on my recliner chair and I just put this thing on the arm of the chair, and it's so precise that it's able to, just a little bit of movement. Absolutely amazing here. Current is 10 microamps and voltage 3.7 volts. Does not use up much power when you got your on off here. Oh, and the smart technology puts it in an auto sleep mode so you're not burning through battery when it's just sitting there, which is super smart as well. So it looks stylish, looks sophisticated, looks chic as can be. Pick one up, absolutely won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from 911 Studios. Thanks for watching. Click like, and adios, amigos.